registration, payment of tax and return under DVAT. In this presentation, we will discuss what are the forms and time period for registration under DVAT Act, due date of payment of tax under DVAT Act, what are the returns which require to be filed and the due date of returns, what are the certificates required to be issued and the time period within which such certificates required to be issued. Firstly, we will discuss registration under DVAT. Application for registration under DVAT is required to be filed in Form DVAT 4 within a period of 30 days from the date of arising of liability to pay tax under the Act. Application for registration by a casual dealer is required to be filed in Form DVAT 4A. Casual dealer should apply in this form at least 3 days before the commencing of business in Delhi. Application for opting for composition scheme by a dealer register is required to be filed in Form DVAT 1 within 30 days from the first day of the beginning of the following year. Application for allotment of tax deduction account number is required to be filed in Form DVAT 44. Application for TAN must be sent within 7 days from the date on which TDS on DVAT was deducted or deductible. Let's discuss what are the due date of payment of tax under DVAT. Due date of monthly payment of VAT, WCT and CST is 20th of the following month. Due date of monthly payment of TDS on VAT is 15th of the following month. Next question comes, what are the returns which are required to be filed under DVAT Act? DVAT return is required to be filed in Form number DVAT 16 and DVAT 56 on quarterly basis within 28 days after the end of every quarter. DVAT return for dealer opting composition scheme is required to be filed in Form number DVAT 17 and DVAT 56 on quarterly basis within 28 days after the end of every quarter. TDS on DVAT return is required to be filed in Form number DVAT 48 on quarterly basis within 28 days after the end of every quarter. Now let's discuss the certificates which are required to be issued under DVAT. Certificate for TDS on VAT is required to be submitted in Form number DVAT 43 on monthly basis within 7 days from the date of deposit of TDS on VAT. If you have any other queries or questions, you can simply ask us through phone or mail or comment. You can also suggest us some other topics for discussion. Your feedback and suggestions are valuable for us. Thanks.